Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your ISB account is active and you have the correct modem credentials. This prevents wasted troubleshooting. Next, plug the modem into power and attach the incoming line, coax for cable, DSL phone line, or fiber ONT Ethernet, so the device can synchronize with the network. Once done, place the modem in an open spot near a central router location to reduce interference and ensure stable signal. This matters because physical placement affects speed and drop rates. With the modem online, you connect the router's WAN port to the modem using a quality Ethernet cable so devices can share the internet. Power the router and open its admin page, often 192, 168, 0, 1, or use the app. You need to follow on-screen setup to obtain WAN IP and DNS automatically. Make sure to set a clear SSID and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password. And change the default admin username and password. Finally, test your connection by browsing a site or pinging 8 to confirm packets flow. This verifies DNS and routing. If you see no internet, restart modem, then router, receipt cables, and check ISB outage notifications. These simple steps fix most issues. If the problem persists, reboot devices, inspect WAN IP on the router, and only perform a factory reset if settings are corrupted. After reset, reconfigure SSID and security to restore safe operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.